All right, today we're out on a repair job site and we're replacing trusses on this job. I am hooking up trusses to fly into the guys. We've already got a couple up. Using my semi that I also delivered the trusses with today, we have what's called a knuckle boom crane on the back that we can lift up trusses, also use it to pick up materials and deliver that as well. And then we also just help these guys out on the job site as we go too. And after we're hooked up, do a visual inspection just to make sure that everything looks good to be able to lift. We'll start with the lift. So now as I start to lift these trusses, I'm watching for any overhead obstructions, watching for all the existing material that's around here. Trying to get this truss lifted up over top of all these obstructions and then swing it into the guys. Brian's going to hang on to my tag line and just make sure that that truss just swings in the way we want it to and it doesn't get away from us. So once we start getting closer, we start dropping down a little bit, just that way that crane will start going towards the other guys over there, and we'll start taking some cable up as we do that. As they grab a hold of it, I'm watching to see, make sure I'm centered on the peak, making sure it's easy for them to be able to move it side to side on the wall too. Once I feel like they're pretty well set, I just hit my emergency stops. That way nothing changes while it's in the air.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.